Made changes to a Dropbox file and now wish you could go back. Dropbox can keep previous versions of files, depending on your plan and the available version history. In this guide, I'll show you how to find and restore an earlier version. First, open Dropbox in your browser and sign in to your account. Find the file you want to recover, either by browsing your folders or using the search bar. Once you've found the file, hover over it and open its options menu. Look for version history or the available file activity option. The exact wording can vary depending on your Dropbox interface and plan. Dropbox will show available earlier versions of the file. Review the dates and times to find the version you want. If you're unsure, compare the version details before restoring anything. If a preview is available, open the older version and check its contents. This helps you make sure you found the right copy before replacing your current version. When you've found the version you want, choose Restore. Dropbox will replace the current version with the selected older version. So make sure you've chosen the correct version before confirming the action. After the restoration finishes, open the file and check that the correct content is back. If Dropbox is syncing with your computer, allow the changes to finish syncing before checking the local copy. Keep in mind that version history isn't available forever. How far back you can recover depends on your Dropbox plan and its version history period. If the version you need is too old, it may no longer be available. And that's how you recover a previous file version in Dropbox. Find the file, open version history, review the available copies, and restore the one you need. Just remember to check the version carefully before replacing the current file.